Hi guys, if you want to double space in Google Docs, then let's see how to do it. For the example, here I have a Google Docs document, and now let's say you want to double space this paragraph here. So for that, either you can select the paragraph you want to double space or simply click anywhere in the paragraph. Let's see first by selecting the paragraph. So let's select the paragraph. Once you select the paragraph which you want to double space, then click on format option here. Then click on line and paragraph spacing section, and now from here simply select the option double, and you can see this paragraph has been double spaced. And in case if you don't like to select the paragraph while spacing, then simply click anywhere on the paragraph which you want to double space like this, and then go to format and then line and paragraph spacing and then select double, and the whole paragraph will be double spaced. And in case if you want to double space all the paragraphs available on your Google Docs at once, so for that simply press Ctrl+A key on your keyboard. And once all the text on your Google Docs is selected, again go to the format section, click on line and paragraph spacing and then select double. And now all the paragraphs on your Google Docs will be double spaced, you can see. And in case if you want to add more than double space in your Google Docs, for that press Ctrl+A key on your keyboard and all the text will be selected, and then go to format section and then click on line and paragraph spacing from here, or you can get this option directly from here. You can see line and paragraph spacing. Let's say I want to use it from here, so I will simply click on it. Here we are getting the same option which we are getting from the format section there. So now to add the more than double spacing in Google Docs, simply click on custom spacing option here. Here you can see the line spacing is 2, which is set for double spacing. Let's say you want to add the line spacing 5. So here simply type 5 and then click on apply. And now you can see on your Google Docs, the line spacing is 5. You can see. Let's say I want to reduce the line spacing. So for that, I will select all the paragraph. Again, go to the line and paragraph spacing section here, and from here I will select any spacing I want. If you want to make it double, select the double option. If you want to make it single, you can select the single option and it will be single spaced. Right now, I want to make my Google Docs double spaced. So for that, I will click on the line and paragraph spacing option here, and from here I will select the double, and my Google Docs will be double spaced. You can see. And in case if you want to save double space as your default style on Google Docs, then let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all, make sure your Google Docs is double spaced, and to check it, simply press the Ctrl+A key and the all paragraphs will be selected. Now click on line and paragraph spacing option here. Now here make sure the double option is selected. And now to save double space as your default style on Google Docs, simply click on this normal text option here, and again go to the normal text option and then select update normal text to match option here. Simply click on it, and then once again you will have to click on the normal text option, and this time you will have to go to the options section here. And now from here select this option, save as my default styles. So let's click on it, and once you click on it, you will be able to see this message, your default style have been saved. You can see. And once you have saved double space as default style on your Google Docs, from now on, whenever you will open a new Google Docs document, it will appear with double spacing. So let's check it out. For that, click on File and then go to New and select the document. And now the new Google Docs document will appear. Now let's try typing something. And you can see your Google Docs document is already double spaced. And if you want to check it, simply select the paragraph and then click on line and paragraph spacing option here, and you can see it is already double spaced. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily make Google Docs double spaced and save double space as default style on Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.